Have you ever pondered how a single natural event can alter the course of history and reshape a nation's identity? On March 11, 2011, the Earth's crust beneath the Pacific Ocean, off the coast of Tohoku, Japan, began to shift. The tectonic plates, immense slabs of the Earth's lithosphere, were in constant motion, grinding against each other with a force beyond human comprehension. This was not an unusual occurrence. The Earth is always in motion, always changing. But on that fateful day, the movement was sudden, violent, and catastrophic. The Pacific Plate, sliding under the North American Plate, caused the Earth to shudder with a magnitude 9 earthquake, the most powerful to ever hit Japan, and the fourth most powerful in the world since modern record-keeping began in the early 20th century. This seismic event did not end with the shaking of the Earth. Instead, it set off a chain reaction of devastating consequences. The colossal energy released by the earthquake triggered a massive tsunami, a towering wall of water that rushed towards Japan's northeastern coast with relentless force. In the blink of an eye, the peaceful afternoon was transformed into a scene of unimaginable horror. As the ground ceased its trembling, a more terrifying force was gathering strength in the depths of the ocean. Unseen by the human eye, a monstrous wave was born, a tsunami arising from the seismic disturbance beneath the sea. Its magnitude was beyond comprehension, a wall of water reaching heights of up to 40 meters. This was not just a wave, it was a lethal force of nature, an embodiment of raw, uncontrolled power, speeding towards the unsuspecting land with a destructive might that would leave an indelible scar on Japan's landscape. It hit the coastline with relentless fury, swallowing entire towns, reducing structures to rubble, and washing away all traces of the life that once thrived there. The immediate aftermath was a scene of utter devastation. Lives were lost in the thousands, homes were obliterated, and an eerie silence hung over the land. The tsunami had claimed not only the physical structures, but also the sense of security and normalcy that the people of Japan had held dear. The wave, indifferent to the devastation it left in its wake, receded, leaving behind a nation in ruins and a people in mourning. In the face of such destruction, how does a nation begin to recover? The aftermath of the 2011 earthquake and tsunami in Japan was a scene of devastation, with millions of people affected. Homes, lives, and landscapes were irrevocably altered. The economic impact was equally staggering as the cost to rebuild rose into the hundreds of billions. But amid the rubble, there was resilience. The Japanese people, known for their stoicism and fortitude, began the arduous task of rebuilding. They cleared debris, repaired infrastructure, and slowly but surely started to regain a sense of normalcy. The international community also stepped in, offering support in various forms. Financial aid, supplies, and manpower poured in from all corners of the globe, a testament to the universal human spirit of helping those in need. The road to recovery was long and challenging, but through their collective efforts, Japan showed the world what it truly means to rise from the ashes. The nation's strength, resilience, and unwavering spirit were an inspiration to all. In the wake of the disaster, the world witnessed a nation's strength, resilience, and unwavering spirit. What lessons can we glean from such a devastating event? The 2011 earthquake and tsunami in Japan served as a tragic reminder of the unpredictable wrath of nature, but also underscored the importance of preparation and response to natural disasters. The disaster led to significant changes in policy and infrastructure. Japan, known for its advanced disaster management strategies, further ramped up its efforts. The nation strengthened its early warning systems to provide more accurate and timely alerts. Building codes were revised to enhance the resilience of structures against such catastrophic events. Moreover, the incident also illuminated the need for improved evacuation plans. Japan now places greater emphasis on education and drills, ensuring citizens are equipped with the knowledge and skills to respond effectively when disaster strikes. The disaster response framework was also revamped, promoting better coordination between authorities, aid organizations, and communities. This has fostered a culture of cooperation and mutual aid, making Japan more prepared for future calamities. As we remember the 2011 earthquake and tsunami, we are reminded of the power of nature, the fragility of human life, and the enduring spirit of humanity. Our collective resilience and capacity to learn from past disasters are what allow us to face the future with courage and hope.